Dad, there's the Prince S20 motor. Those are pretty cool. And look, they cut it all up. What are they thinking? Super cool. Oh, got the L series. Ooh, that's a L20 ET Turbo L series. Is that turbocharged? Whoa, look at that. Wow. All sorts of weird stuff. Lots of insane V8. Why don't they put that in a street car, huh? Here's a V10, V12. What? Look at that. Look at those awesome manifold and then the collectors. I bet that thing sounds amazing with the trumpets there. Holy cow. 1992 V12. Very cool. Big old turb ski there. There's a V8. That, it says it right there. Nissan V8. And up top. Crazy intake setup. Oh, look at that. Group C. That's the... Yeah. That's the one, Dad. That's pretty cool. Look at how wide those turbos are set. That's crazy. And here's a... I like this one the most, I think. Look at that. Those beautiful trumpets. And then the 6 exhaust pipes. So cool. Alright, well, I'm gonna nerd out now, so I'll talk to you guys later. This is a cool place, though. Alright, bye-bye.